Hello, I'm Karim Khaled and this Plaxis 2D 3D course. In this video, I'll show you how you can use my videos. When I send to you a download link, you will download uh, the content of my course. Okay, when you open the any video, this picture will appear to you, but with different machine code. Okay, with different machine code, you will press on it, copy machine code. Okay, and send it to me on Facebook or WhatsApp or anything you want. Okay, then when you send me this machine code, I send it to you password. Okay, like that you will put in it. Okay, and mark on remember password and click play, and the video will play with you.